All right, now we don't see how it go. Manchester City 5-0 Arsenal. We get Oga Steez here. Steez of the whole world. I don't say Oga Steez, they laugh. I don't say they do Oga Steez one kind for him body. So Oga Steez, now tell us how you see the game. Tell us what you think say happened to the Gunners today.
My same thing what I tell you last week. You see, the coach don't just reach for the job. You understand? The coach don't reach for the job at all. So therefore, just find someone better. Make them just job over to the man. Because if the more that they let this man stay, the more way this man they destroy our style of play. The man they destroy everything about Arsenal. You understand? Everybody know Arsenal as team where they play free flowing football. They know they hold ball too much. Then they you understand? But these days, you they see us now sometimes with the one full ball go long, you just spoil the whole thing about the Arsenal. But the thing don't tire me, say. I know just know.
All right, don't be lie, Oga Steez. I know say you know sweet you for body like you know go sweet many other Arsenal fans. We see the Arsenal fans when you go watch the game. Say as Man City begin score those goals, some of them begin just leave the team, begin they go house. You understand? But I want to ask you something when happened for inside the game where I believe say join with make the score reach that 5-0. How you see that tackle from Granit Xhaka for inside the game?
When team know they do well, you go there frustrated. Oh. But now very, very unprofessional tackle because you know for go with two legs. You understand? Me, I believe said the guy know what he want do. You want injure that player. I don't know if they get beat before, but that tackle now very, very unprofessional. As I see him, my mind no sweet me at all. So red card, he what him.
Abi?
Player like that, no for that kind of tackle.
All right, no be lie.
Yeah.
So with this, we see what happened for inside this game. You understand? I know she was say Arsenal get play reach like 3 shots. When I don't remember the last time where I watched Arsenal game when anybody dominates Arsenal like this. Arsenal don't start the season now. Arsenal don't play 3 matches, 0 points, 0 goals. You understand? Some people they say Arsenal go relegate, but how high you think say Arsenal go finish this season? As Arsenal fan, what you been? How high you think Arsenal go day for the table by
Without
the time we?
sentiment, if you finish anything above 12, now by God's grace, if Ateta remain, oh, but normally if them
Mm,
change things right now, we still feel qualify for maybe Europa spot, maybe that kind 5-6 position. You understand?
mm.
Because with the first 3 matches, we never fit determine say person go relegation or anything. You understand? Yes, we dey
Okay.
bottom table now, but if them change the coach, we go fit end like fifth or sixth. But if them no end them, my brother, if we end 12, we supposed to give God thanks and praise.
Okay, now no be lie, Augustus. You don't tell us 1 or 2 things concerning that one. But I want to make you do real quick. Make you just do player rating of the Arsenal players. So be like, say, play this match against Man City
My
today.
brother,
Uh,
today match, no player deserve rating. Make them just go house. All of them, make them just carry
no,
minus 0. In fact, make them just go house. Nobody deserve any rating. Nobody deserve any rating. But if you force
so
me, I will just start with
yes,
Tierney. Tierney,
okay.
Tierney, I try
Start
pass
with
for the
any.
match.
Okay,
Tierney, I try pass for the match. So I think if I'm like 4,
all right. Then
yeah.
what you go give? What you go give? Said Kolasinac
Kolasinac supposed to go with 2.5.
2.5. Okay, Rob Holding and Chambers. What you go give them?
Rob Holding did well. Rob Holding did well. So we go fit give him like 3.5. Chambers
3.5.
2.5.
Okay. Then what you go can give Suarez?
Suarez 2. Suarez 2.
Leno, what you go give Leno?
Leno na him save us today. Make I just give
Mm.
Leno 4.5. He try.
Leno 4.5. Okay. Then what you go give Emmy Smithrow?
Smith Rowe. Smith Rowe go take 3.
Smithrow 3, then Granit Xhaka.
Xhaka go take 1.
1. Okay. Xhaka don't get the lowest rating from your rating so far. Then what you go give Odegaard?
Odegaard today no turn up, but not be everybody fault. We go give Odegaard 2.5.
Bukayo Saka.
Bukayo Saka 2.5.
Then what about Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang?
That one minus 0.
Oh man, that was loud. What about Mohamed Eleni? What do you give Eleni?
Yes. Somebody my player. As he come, you go see what thing that they tell you last week. They try close speed. You understand? We'll go give him 3.5.
3.5. Then Lacazette and Ainsley.
Lacazette will go with 2. Niles will go
Then
with 3.
Miles 3. All right now. So but
Yeah.
make an answer Oga Steez. The way they go now for Arsenal, we know say no be waiting Arsenal fans they expect so far. As Arsenal fan, what do you think they need to change moving forward? Because this next week now they're going to play internationals before league game go day again. So what do you think they need to change between now and then when be Arsenal next match against Norwich?
Now just one thing, my brother. Make them change the manager. The man has no clue about waiting the job they're about. Make them just change the manager. But sorry, say the kind board where we get now board where they back negativity. They give time for negativity. You understand?
Okay. All right, now no be lie, no be lie. Big up Oga these good one to get you today again. We know say the corners they no try, but we hope say you go enjoy the rest of your weekend. You too much, Oga Steez. Thank you.
All right.